What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We like to do a lot of beauty unboxings, a lot of makeup reviews, and I usually drop something. So if that's what you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. Today we are doing an unboxing and I'm really excited for it because I had no idea this was even coming. I totally forgot. This is my Babebox by Focallure, and I'm really interested to see what's in it. So I did not actually unbox my first month. I did it through a live stream just because I was kind of, if you guys have been around, you know that sometime in August I just lost all train of thought and I was not uploading as often as I usually do. So Babebox did come and I didn't even bother unboxing it. I wasn't feeling it, but today I am obviously feeling very motivated. Now this feels very light. I only had to pay shipping for this because they did have a promotion, so I'm pretty excited to try it. I do believe I paid $7 Canadian shipping, so it works out to about $10 US. Oh no, I'm sorry, $7 US, and I paid about $10 Canadian with the conversion. So we're gonna dive right on in and see how it goes. I have not seen any reviews for this box in a while. I know that some people didn't like them before, but that was a while, and I am all about redeeming, so we're just gonna give it a shot. So it comes like this, and then you open it up, and it comes with a card. So that's fantastic. I'm going to keep that. I'm right in front of me because I want a card to tell me how much everything's worth. So the first thing I'm going to pull out from here is, ooh, this is a fan brush. Very nice. So I'm just going to slide that right there. So this is a fan brush from Aesthetica. I think I said that right. And this retails for $17. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brush, so that's good. Some people really don't want to use anything unless it's cruelty-free and good for you. So this item would be usable for you. The next item in here is by Bang Beauty. So this says that it's a highlighter slash brush, and it says it is retailing for $20. So let's just open this up and see. So it says it's in peony pink. I think I had this from an Ipsy once, and I'm not positive. Now it's got really cute packaging. If it is the same, it's not the one I used. So let's just open it up. Oh, and it comes with a mirror. And that's the product right there. It looks textured. That's interesting. So that's it right there. Wow, that is gorgeous. Hopefully this works out for me, because that looks really freaking pretty. And I love how it has a cute little mirror, so that's super fun. I'm going to just set this aside right here with all the other items. And next up, this is a Precise eyeliner from Galactic. I've never tried anything from this brand before, so that's really exciting. Whoa, that is a huge eyeliner. I'm not actually going to swatch this right now, only because I have so many other ones and I do want to do a first impression. So get ready, because I have like some first impression videos coming and I feel like I haven't done those in so long, so I'm super pumped. So I'm just going to set this one aside. Next up, oh, you know what? I'm not even upset about this. This is the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss, and I received this already in a BoxyCharm, and it is freaking awesome. I love this so much, so I am not disappointed at all that I have a replacement, because sometimes when you find something you really like, you just want to keep using it, and I use mine all the time. It's probably one of the lip glosses I've used most often ever, so I'm pretty pumped to get another one. So that's by Appeal. Oh, prices, Amanda, prices. So the lip gloss, it retails for $21. That's super expensive. And this eyeliner retails for $20. So that's pretty expensive, I think, for an eyeliner, and a lip topper, but that's just me. So last but not least, this is by Dirty Little Secret. And this is, the heck is it? Oh, it's a lip liner. Cool, let's see. Very nice, very nice. I have this already. So this is Rosy Posy. So this is actually one of the lip liners that I've been using lately. So that's it right there. I am not going to bother opening this because I have barely dented the one I'm already using. But I will say this is a really nice eyeliner. It says that it retails for $15. Way too expensive for an eyeliner in my opinion. But that's just me. So all in all, I'm not that disappointed for what I paid. really, I don't get disappointed very often. Can you tell? So we have a lip topper. Totally going to use that because I love that. I'm really excited to try this highlight because that's really pretty. Like, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So exciting. We have the eyeliner from Galactic. We have the Rosy Posy from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. And we have a fan brush. So like I said, I only paid shipping, so this really isn't that bad. I don't know how much this box is actually though, so that's an interesting thing. It says that it retails for $93 US. So all in all, not really that disappointed. Now, let me know in the comments below, have you tried Babebox before? Do you like Babebox, or is there a reason why everybody doesn't like it? I've heard mixed things. Like I said, I'm here. I don't want to judge. I want to try it for myself. I'm, for what I paid, pretty happy with this, considering I live in Canada as well, and I do tend to have to pay a little bit more sometimes. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I absolutely love when you guys come chill with me, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. I will talk to you guys soon.